Today we are going over one of the most important tattoo techniques, dotwork shading. Let's break it down and make sure you get it right. Dotwork shading is a technique that uses small, precise dots to create natural depth and shading. Here are the key points you need to keep in mind. 1. Machine speed. Keep the machine speed medium or low, usually at 6 to 8 volts. High speeds can make the dots too large or uneven, reducing your control over the design. 2. Choosing the right needle. The best choice is 3RL or 5RL, round liner or round shader. These are ideal for placing small, consistent dots. The needle should extend about 2 to 3 millimeters from the machine for optimal control. 3. Use only dots, no lines. Dotwork shading does not involve any line work. All the shading should be done using dots. For lighter areas, space the dots farther apart. For darker areas, place them closer together. This creates smooth, gradual transitions. 4. Hand angle and small movements. Keep your hand at a 90-degree angle to the skin. This helps you place precise dots. Use small, circular hand movements to maintain control and consistency in your design. 5. Layering for darker shades. For darker areas, layer the dots. Start with a base of medium-spaced dots, then add another layer with more tightly packed dots. This technique adds depth and richness to your shading. 6. Work on dry skin. Avoid over-moisturizing the skin during the process. Working on dry skin helps you see the dots more clearly and gives you better control over shading. 7. Choose the right design. Dotwork shading works best for designs like mandalas, geometric patterns, and minimalist styles. Using this technique for such designs adds a unique and intricate look. 8. Practice on fake skin. If you're new to dotwork, practice on fake skin before working on real skin. This helps you master hand control and machine settings without risking mistakes. Pro tip: to avoid damaging the skin, ensure your machine pressure is consistent and not too heavy. The more precise you are with each dot, the more natural and professional your shading will look. That's all you need to know to start mastering dotwork shading. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our previous video where I explained 7 essential tattoo shading techniques. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll make sure to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.